So I'm Marie Daly, I'm the COO for Transport for Wales Rail. This is a monumentous day for us, so we are celebrating our new FLIRT vehicles arriving on depot and getting ready for their testing and commissioning, soon to be ready later next year to be out and about on our network delivering an amazing customer experience. These trains are going to fundamentally change the way our passengers move around our network. They will offer a more comfortable experience, they will offer a faster experience, and ultimately will just make people of Wales feel that the investment is here and it's ready for them to take full advantage of.
I'm Ryan Williams, Engineering Director for Transport for Wales Rail. Today's a really proud day for us in rail. We're here to celebrate the delivery of the FLIRT, the Class 231, that's been delivered around about 2 weeks ago now. So lots and lots of work on in the background to prepare this train, get it ready to send over to you in Cardiff. Months of testing, work all behind the scenes. It's really exciting to see you here on the depot.
My name's Jonathan Thomas, my role head of fleet delivery. There's the introduction of the new trains, which goes through a lot of testing, commissioning, safety validation, trial runs on the network, etc. From a train maintainer perspective, we've got to go through numerous training programs, obviously the new technology, the new infrastructure associated with the new trains, additional test equipment that we get. So all that needs to be trained across our existing staff from now until introduction within the next 12-18 months.